afternoon, maybe Wednesday in Japan. Check out it's like when I ride up in Korea, the money what offer now we run in Korea. This is Chiba Station. Chiba Station, bus station. But this is the railway station in Chiba. Check. It is so good. If you need a tax, just listen. This is a bus station. The other place is train station. Just walking around Chiba station. This is how it looks like during rain season. See how they designed this place here. If you're waiting for bus, you can have a shade. People are rushing to work. This is called rushing hours. Some people they start at around 10. Some people 8. This is how it's like during rain season. Rain season. Chiba Station. Preparing for work very early in the morning. They haven't opened this shop. They open at around 10. Here it is very hot, very warm, not very cold. They haven't opened. Kwenda kula vitu duka ni sawa nya. Sasa hivi Pani mula wafana kumacha. Very busy hour. Very busy. What I want to buy is a camera. Facebook camera. This is where I'm going to buy my camera. I'm going to check. This is how it looks like. This is so good and clean.